Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to create resume template on Microsoft Word. So as we can see, it's a ready to use template from Microsoft Office, this type or this type. So to create stylish resume, click on File, then New, and here click on Resume and Cover Letters. Now you will find a list of resume template. You can select any template. Select it and create. You can make changes as your requirement. You can change name, professional title, font, email, your ID, about, education, skills. So make changes, modify, and after that click on File and you can save as. Also you can print, share, and export. So you can create resume in just 2 or 3 minutes, and you can share on any platform. So thanks for watching and comment on this video useful for you.